Smooth and powerful they are with these turbo engines. There's really an advance over the last few years. So when you and then down at the checkered flag, at the first flag, full panic stop as hard as you can. Don't pump the brakes, don't let up. Full panic stop till the car comes to a complete stop. They want you to see how great the brakes are. BMW brakes are the best in the world.
Especially the carbon ceramic ones.
Especially this car. Well, we just got it out. It's stone cold, and the first stop wasn't as good, but once they get warmed up, it stops like a dream. Okay, here we go. Everybody got their seatbelts on? We're ready to go?
Ready?
Okay, we're ready. And then a full stop. That's with four adults in the car.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys ready? Here we go. Number 2. Stops much better the second time.
Yep.
Once it warms up, it'll get
Absolutely.
even better. So you can do this with any of the cars that are available. You can do as many times as you want.
Very cool. Alright guys, this is M3. It's got the carbon ceramic brakes, doing full acceleration and then braking, pedal to the floor.
Yeah, we changed the cars like every year, so
Go. Stun. Four carbon ceramic brakes as well. So X2 over here. It's 330. See that trailer. You can get on a simultaneous one. Alright guys, so we're here in the X3 M40i. BMW of San Pedro, sponsored by Alexander BMW. This beautiful port over here. Victory lane, ship lane victory says. Alright, so we're doing maximum acceleration and then maximum braking. They're not allowing us to put them in Sports Plus, but this is in sports mode. Here we go. Boost takes a while to build, but it comes on pretty strong once it does, and the brakes are not bad. Back to back with M4 with carbon ceramic brakes. They're obviously way different. It's a much heavier vehicle. There's the M4 that I just did with the carbon ceramics. 1,000-pound difference. No, not 1,000 pound, but maybe 500-600 pound difference plus more power on the M4. So you know, this SUV, higher center of gravity, still impressive.